This is Jabba the Toad. He is a resident here at the Earthshine Nature Center. And if you're wondering what he's doing, well, he's shedding his skin. When toads shed their skin, they eat it. That's exactly what is happening here. Very bizarre thing to watch. I've never seen this before, actually. And when I saw him, at first I thought there was something wrong with him because of his strange posture. Then when I realized, wow, that he was shedding his skin, I had to get this on video for y'all to see. This is the ultimate in recycling. Eat your old skin so you can use it again.